Hello. Two bonuses that you get from me when you join the Legacy Builder program, or at any level. Doesn't have to be just at the Legacy, it can be any level. This page, which is just a splash page, so I can either set it up for you or give you the share code and you can set it up yourself. And these are videos, and I suggest you do a video so you can put one here right there. And I'll do that for you if you need to. And then nice testimonials. These are incredible testimonials in the latest webinar. And then, as you'll see, you have the Facebook and the YouTube, so people can get back can get in touch with you. Okay, and then you get the system now. Takes you right to your capture page in the system. Okay, now how does this benefit? How could this help you? You have like 5 seconds at best to catch somebody's attention, like when you're in traffic exchanges, safe lists, things like that. So when you're in that, you need something that's going to pop out. And I would think this would even be good for Facebook. Okay, and whoops. And what's important is that they can get more information. They can get to know you better right from the first video. That's why that's branding you. That's why that's important. And then here's a testimonial of a single mom. Her name is Amy. She was working 2 jobs for 70 hours a week, and she quit one of the jobs after 1 week of being in the Legacy Builder. And after the 5th week of being in the Legacy Builder, she quit her second job. So that's pretty incredible. Here's other success stories right here. And then this is important. Sit down, have a cup of coffee. It's about a couple of hours, but this goes over a webinar. It goes over a brief overview of it. And then after that, there's a lot of questions and answers, which you might have some of the questions might be some that you are thinking too. So that's why this page is important. Plus, safe lists that you want to market in, or classified ads. You want them to get to know you better. So here's your Facebook profile that they'll go to. And then here's your YouTube, so you can get more YouTube followers. Okay, so this page is all set up for you, or I can send you the share code and you can set it up. So that's my first bonus. My second bonus is with this, there's 13 emails, which is wonderful. They're high converting emails. They're great. I have added 12 more to that for right now, and I'm going to be adding more. So, and if you know your email series, your follow-up, it's your follow-up. You're building your list, but it's also your follow-up. And I must tell you that not only are you growing this company, but this opens up to you being able to share everything with whatever you're in with your list. Okay, so this is very important, is to have enough emails. You should leave the main thing, which would be this program, for the first 30 days. Just promote this. So I'm probably going to, in a couple more days, have the full 30 days in there. And then after that, you can slowly, gradually bring in more, as long as it complements the digital marketing. Okay, as long as it complements what this is. So I'm very excited about these bonuses. These are good, valuable bonuses. These are free ebooks. This is not, you don't need more training than what is already in this platform. This platform is e-learning itself. So you don't need another YouTube training course or another Facebook training, because this system is digital e-learning at its best. Okay, so let me show you some of the things. Here we are, that are in this. Finding your ideal customer. Behind resale rights. Understand the concepts of MMR and RR and PLR. Growing your following on social media. Setting up the social media things. And look at, there's 4 pages. Just going to randomly click on page 3. I haven't even gotten to page 3 yet. And this is interactive. They're coming out with new videos every day, and the training you go to, you can, if you're in the legacy builder, then you have a bigger, you go into breakout rooms, and they have a special coach that comes in for mindset. Sarah St. John, maybe you have heard of her. It's incredible, because mindset is more than half of this. Okay, and then the other half is getting the training, plugging in and doing it, and then doing it consistently every single day. You do that, you will have success. It may take a couple months to get going, to get the momentum going. I've compared this like a snowball. It starts at the top of a hill and gets going and gets bigger as it goes down the hill. And as it's getting bigger, it's gaining momentum. Well, that's your advertising. That's your marketing. Okay? As you're learning, as you're going, you're getting more influence. Okay? You're getting more momentum. That's why it's important to market and advertise every single day, because you're building momentum. If you stop that, it's like your snowball hit a wall and you have to get started all over again. It's very hard to do, to get started back over again, because you've lost that momentum. That's why it's important to advertise daily. Okay, it's based on a 2-hour workday. This is gold. This, from what I've seen over the years, this is really impressive. Okay, so again, these are my two bonuses. You get extra emails that you can add on, and then I'll either set this page up for you or give you the share code. It's Lead Sleep, so it's just free, and then you can just pop it in there. Okay, God bless, and if you have any questions, just comment them, put them down below in the comment section.